to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. And see on the street property location and there is identify attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to judge their stay. Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is excellent in case love to enjoy the surroundings. Three categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Rates and offers are available online for this property along with various payment plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For the link or more details, please read the description box. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this property, communicate with us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box.